Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to King James Media. If today is your first time of coming across my video, please, I want you to follow me on Facebook, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Always follow me on X, known as Twitter. Please, in today's video, I will show you this video of a woman of God called Mmagha Jehova, a prophetess. Many of you may know her and many may not know her. I'll be showing you her video where this woman has been calling for the release of Mazi Nnamdi since Mazi Nnamdi was kidnapped in 2000. And now she don't drop another video where she still call for the release of Mazi Nnamdi. This woman has been a promoter of Igbo, the unity of Igbo across the globe, across the world, especially those Igbo people from the Niger Delta where they talk say they no be Igbo. This woman will have been united